Europe, Middle Eastern, and North African Business Development Director. I'm currently here at the Paris Air Show, where we're meeting with clients and potential clients to provide them with the best radar that we have to offer. Some of our current customers are looking for capabilities for maritime and border patrolling, specifically in the Channel countries, France, UK, Ireland. They're looking at counter-drug, counter-human trafficking, counter-narcotics, as well as immigration control and monitoring. Our radars provide that capability for imaging, for tracking in all weather, to be able to provide them with the situational awareness, to be able to track vessels as they attempt to cross or smuggle people and illegal goods and narcotics across the channel. Those are just some of the uses that are popular here with our European customer base.
We're here at the Paris Air Show this week telling people about the capability that we provide. We are, as far as we know, the only company in the world that is currently manufacturing a radar that provides synthetic aperture radar imagery and moving target indicator at the very low size, weight, and power that the IMSAR radars are built. The radars are designed to go on aircraft that are medium to low altitude platforms that provides that layer of capability. We think that this is an important layer of the air domain that needs to be covered in addition to higher altitude and space and ground systems, so that you have a robust and capable sensor suite that can provide you with awareness for missions like early warning or domain awareness, border watch, anything that you need a sensor that works in a wide field of view, has location accuracy, and is all weather, day or night.